In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit slide numbers in Google Slides. Slide numbers can be incredibly helpful for both presenters and audiences as they provide a quick reference point throughout a presentation. Whether you're creating a slideshow for a project, a presentation for work, or just sharing some creative ideas, understanding how to manage slide numbers effectively is a valuable skill. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, we need to navigate to Google Slides. This is where all the magic happens. Open your preferred web browser, head over to Google and search for Google Slides, or simply type in the URL if you're already familiar with it. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Signing in ensures that your work is saved automatically and you can easily access it from any device. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to start fresh or work on an existing project. You can either click on blank presentation to start with a clean slate, or you can choose from a variety of templates that Google provides, depending on the style and theme you have in mind for your presentation. Once your presentation is open, it's time to add the slide numbers. To do this, go to the top menu and click on Insert. The Insert menu is your gateway to adding all sorts of elements to your slides, images, videos, charts, and more. But today we're focusing on slide numbers. Within the Insert menu, you'll find an option labeled Slide Numbers. Click on this and it will open a dialog box with a few options regarding slide numbering. You can choose to apply slide numbers to all slides, or if you prefer, you can apply them selectively, skipping the title slides to maintain a cleaner aesthetic. Make sure to check your presentation needs before selecting the right option for you. Once you've made your selection, confirm it and the slide numbers will appear on your slides. You can preview them in the slide pane to ensure they're showing up correctly. If you decide later that you want to remove or adjust these numbers, simply return to the slide numbers section in the Insert menu and make your desired changes. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added slide numbers to your Google Slides presentation. Having your slides numbered not only adds a professional touch, but also helps keep your audience and yourself on track during your presentation. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.